How to make your first sales in your online store. Launching an online store is exciting, but getting those first sales? That's where most people struggle. Without sales, your store is just another website in the vast internet desert. But today, I'll show you a proven step-by-step strategy to land your first paying customers fast. Section 1. Setting the foundation. Before driving traffic, let's make sure your store is ready to convert visitors into buyers. 1. Optimize your website for sales. Clear branding and design, simple, professional, and mobile-friendly. Product descriptions, focus on benefits, not just features. High-quality images and videos, show the product in use. Seamless checkout process, reduce steps, offer multiple payment options. Section 2. Driving targeted traffic. Now that your store is ready, let's bring in potential buyers. 2. Leveraging social media marketing. Instagram and TikTok, post engaging content, reels, product demos, testimonials. Facebook groups and Reddit, engage in discussions, subtly promote your store. Pinterest, drive traffic with high-quality pins linked to your product pages. 3. Running paid ads, on a budget. Facebook and Instagram ads, start with a $5 to $10 daily budget targeting warm audiences. Google Shopping ads, show your products to high-intent buyers. 4. And affiliate marketing. Micro-influencers, reach out for shoutouts or affiliate deals. YouTube and TikTok collaborations, product reviews and unboxings. Section 3. Converting visitors into buyers. Traffic is great, but how do you make them actually buy? 5. Create urgency and trust. Limited time offers, flash sales, countdown timers. Trust badges and reviews, show social proof, testimonials, real customer photos. 6. Email and SMS marketing. Abandoned cart emails, remind visitors to complete their purchase. Exclusive discounts for subscribers, incentivize signups. Section 4. Retaining customers and scaling. Getting the first sale is great, but turning one-time buyers into loyal customers is even better. 7. Provide an amazing customer experience. Fast shipping and easy returns, build trust. Engage with customers, personalize thank you emails, social media interactions. 8. Upselling and cross-selling. Offer bundles, increase average order value. Post-purchase upsells, show frequently bought together items. Now you have a roadmap to making your first sales. But remember, action beats perfection. Start today, test different strategies, and refine what works best for your store. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to grow your online business. Also, drop a comment with your biggest challenge in making your first sale, we might cover it in the next video.